So we just left Lake Tekapo and we passed next to the banana fields, but unfortunately we were not able to see them because it's on a private land and we need to book a tour for that. So perhaps we're gonna do that later on our way back from the road trip. And right now we're on the first stop, which is the clay cliffs. As you can see, it's like 500 meters long trek with all these caution signs, but I think we are pretty lucky in that regard. And you can see the clay cliffs in the background, which is very similar to the ones near Wellington, except I think these ones are much nicer looking. So we're gonna start our trek now. We just climbed the bloody clay cliffs, as you can see. There is Finn taking photos. And over there we have Siegfried.
Hello.
And me trying to climb this thing with the camera equipment and a tripod. It's quite the achievement. So we're gonna try to take some photos now. Hello, guten Tag. If I fall, I will die. It's a nice day. Let's go over there. I mean, it's similar climb. Okay, let's set the tripod somewhere. God help me. Okay, I think it's time to go down. Like, I feel like I'm so close to dying right now. Just look at this. Yes? If I don't die, I'll take a photo of you, yes. So yeah, let's go down. Those were the clay cliffs for us. We're just gonna make something to eat now real quick, and then we have a few more locations to see before we reach Oamaru. Where are we going next?
To the car?
To the car, that's the next location. On our way, we stopped to see some Maori graffiti. I don't know when they're actually made, but there's not much of them left because this area is really hard to preserve this kind of graffiti in this area, and some people actually made their own graffitis like in most recent times, so most of the art is gone, but you can still see some pretty cool drawings up here, like some drawings actually show like a European sailing boats, I mean European ships, and people riding horses and all kind of stuff. So now we spend about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe checking these old drawings, and now we'll head back to the Elephant Rocks, and finally we need to do some check-in in hostel. So we arrived at the Elephant Rocks, final stop before we reach what's the name of the city? Oamaru? Oamaru. We're gonna try to set some time lapse, as you can see, to catch the sunset, or just before the sun goes behind the clouds. It's kind of getting cold out here, and you can see the Elephant Rocks behind me. Huh? Finn?
Don't hide so.
No,
We're not robbing a bank, you know?
it's cold.
Maybe later.
I need to hide my face. It's cold.
this place till a Kiwi guy told me you should go here. So up here you will see some ancient wall bones. Ein Walknochen.
So we just did the time lapse at the elephant rocks, which completely failed because you only got 1 second out of it. But it was a nice 1 second. And now,
What is that?
film told us that 200 meters down the road there is a filming location for Narnia movies and ancient bones as well.
Oh, there.
Yeah, I didn't know that this location was here. And now we will go further down the valley to see the actual location where Aslan sits on the rock just before the battle starts. So yeah, that will be exciting. When I arrived in New Zealand, I always wanted to see the Narnia filming locations, and the first one I did was the Cathedral Cove at Coromandel, where the opening scene for the second movie was filmed. And now I can see one of the scenes from one of the filming locations from the first movie, where King Aslan sat on that rock in the middle, talking to the army just before the battle. So that's 2 locations down, and I still have a couple more to go, but 1 location at a time.